Hello kids, good morning. Today we will learn something important. Why I am calling it important? Because it's regarding to your safety. Now you will be wondering what is safety? So safety is when something dangerous that is coming towards you and you are taking the measures to protect yourself. This protecting nature is called safety. Like in this today's world, what is the common danger to all of us? Yes, this is coronavirus, and we are all protecting ourselves from this virus. How? Implementing some small measures. What are they? Like washing hands, maintaining safe distance, and using mask while we are going out. So this is called safety measures that we are taking in today's world to protect ourselves from the coronavirus. This type of safety measures we have to take in our home also. So come with me, let's see what we can do to save ourselves inside our home. Okay, come with me.
Suppose you are washing your hands. Now your hands are wet and you need to switch on the fan. At this time, will you touch the switchboard with wet hands? Certainly not. Why? Because at this time your hands are wet, and if you try to switch on the fan, it will give you an electric shock. So the point is, don't touch any switchboard with wet hands. Okay? Now move on to the second safety points. Oh, your mom is cooking food for you. It's looking delicious. Will you touch the hot pot to taste it? No, as it can burn your little finger. So, the safety point is, don't touch any hot utensils with your finger. Tell your mom to serve you in a little bowl and use spoon to taste it. Okay? Now move on to our next safety point. Your mom is chopping vegetables. You want to help her. Will you also take the knife and started chopping? Obviously not, as it can give you a deep cut on your little fingers. So what will be the safety point? The safety point is, don't touch any sharp objects without your parents' observation. It can be knife, it can be scissors for your paper cutting, for the crafts, but it should always be under observation of your parents. Okay? Remember it? Now I will share with you a very important safety point. It will help you in any of your state. If anybody's cloth will get fire accidentally, that moment, what he or she should do? He or she should never run, as wind can increase the fire. Obviously remember it every time. Whenever there will be wind, it will increase the fire. It will never decrease. So he or she should drop himself or herself on the ground and rub the place where it is on the fire with the ground. These are all the safety measures that you can take to protect yourself and that you can apply with your common sense. Please remember it, and always whenever the situation will come, you should apply these type of things. Okay? Till then, learn it, make yourself protected, and bye bye children.